Ethereum is quickly becoming the driving force behind the next crypto bull run. But what does this mean for Bitcoin, the original king, and Solana, the rising challenger in the altcoin arena? With institutional interest, groundbreaking tech upgrades, and massive capital inflows across the board, crypto is gearing up for an explosive cycle. In this video, we're diving deep into the key narratives behind Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana, and what they mean for your portfolio. Let's start with Ethereum. Often dubbed the world computer, Ethereum is far more than just a cryptocurrency. It's the infrastructure layer for an entirely new financial system. What's fueling Ethereum's momentum right now? Ethereum is seeing an unprecedented wave of institutional adoption. Major players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale are pushing for spot Ethereum ETFs, a move that could open the floodgates for billions in capital inflows. With Ethereum's shift to proof of stake now fully behind us, staking has exploded. Over 27 million ETH is currently staked, reducing the circulating supply and increasing scarcity, a key bullish catalyst for price. Ethereum continues to dominate decentralized finance, host the biggest NFT marketplaces, and power the majority of Web3 development. From lending protocols to decentralized exchanges, Ethereum remains the base layer of innovation. Analysts are calling for Ethereum to break $5,000 and possibly even $10,000 during this cycle. If ETF approvals come through and gas fees remain manageable due to Layer 2 scaling solutions, the runway is wide open. Now let's shift to Bitcoin, the bedrock of the entire crypto market. While Ethereum and other altcoins push the boundaries of innovation, Bitcoin remains the macro anchor, the institutional favorite, and the digital equivalent of gold. Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty is stronger than ever. With global debt reaching record highs, more investors are turning to Bitcoin as a non-sovereign, deflationary asset. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are already live, and they've changed the game. With institutions now able to gain exposure through traditional financial channels, daily inflows into Bitcoin are accelerating. Many experts believe Bitcoin could reach between $120,000 and $150,000 in the coming cycle. Some even argue that $200,000 is possible under the right macro conditions. But here's where it gets interesting. While Bitcoin remains the safe crypto bet, Ethereum's faster growth could mean it outperforms BTC in percentage terms, especially for risk-tolerant investors. If you're trading Ethereum or any other crypto, this will help you massively. With CoinGPT, you can instantly analyze any coin on any time frame inside Telegram. Our AI gives real-time buy and sell signals, complete with stop loss and take profit levels, so you're never guessing where the market might turn. It's designed to help traders become more consistent and profitable, and thousands are already using it every day to stay ahead of the market. You can try it completely free today. Just hit the link in the description or the pinned comment and start leveling up your trading with CoinGPT. Now let's talk about Solana, one of the most hyped Layer 1 blockchains in this bull market. Once written off after the FTX collapse, Solana has staged a major comeback, and it's not just hype. Solana boasts transaction speeds of over 65,000 per second, with near zero fees. It's a developer's playground, with growing traction in gaming, NFTs, and decentralized apps. Post-FTX, many thought Solana was done. But the network has bounced back with strength. Daily active addresses are up, dApp usage is climbing, and the Solana phone, it's sold out, twice. Solana isn't just copying Ethereum, it's carving out its own identity, especially in NFTs and decentralized physical infrastructure, DPIN, where real-world data and Web3 are merging. There's even speculation about potential Solana ETF filings. If institutions start backing Solana the way they've backed ETH and BTC, the upside could be massive. So what happens when Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana are all moving at once? You get a perfect storm. The innovation leader, driven by smart contracts, DeFi, and staking mechanics. If ETH launch, the demand shock could make this Ethereum's biggest breakout yet. The foundation, it sets market sentiment, brings credibility, and now has Wall Street on its side. Bitcoin remains the safest bet in the space, the wildcard, high speed, low cost, and growing adoption. Solana is the speculative moonshot of the cycle. Smart investors are diversifying across all three: BTC for stability, ETH for innovation exposure, and SOL for asymmetric upside. As we head deeper into this bull run, here are the major catalysts to watch. The moment we get SEC green light on Ethereum ETFs, watch for a wave of institutional inflows. Historically, halvings drive exponential BTC gains. This time it's paired with ETF access. Any confirmation of ETF filings or big VC plays into Solana will be a game changer. Rate cuts, inflation, and global monetary policy will shape the intensity of the bull run. Clearer rules for crypto in the US and abroad could reduce risk and attract more investors. So, is this Ethereum's time to shine? Will Bitcoin hit six figures before the halving? Or will Solana shock everyone and lead the altcoin rally? One thing's clear, the next crypto bull run is just getting started. Which of these projects are you most bullish on? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more faceless crypto insights.